Hey guys, Ewan here. Just wanted to give you guys a bit of a quick update on AFSD 2.0. As you guys can see, it's made a significant amount of profit here at $749.88. And this is just taken with 4 trades. Okay, so we've got US 30, which was taken 3 times. You guys can see there on the chart. The zone mapped out above right here. First sell that was made there. Second sell that was made there. And then obviously the third sell was made there. This is how the strategy generally works. For example, we've got a supply and demand zone right here, or we've got a supply zone. If the first entry doesn't work here, guys, what this EA does is that it'll take a second entry at the top. Now, the second entry usually, 9 times out of 10, it would usually work. If it doesn't, cool, you cut your losses. But we always look on risk to reward ratio. So for example, if I know that this zone is going to provide at least a 3-to-1, a 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio, I'm more likely to have the EA take a second trade up here at the top here, which provides this. Then it done a third one down there, as you guys can see. And obviously it's resulted in obviously the profits that were made this morning. Pretty much with the UK 100 as well. So if I go to UK 100 here, you guys can see that there was a buy taken at this buy level. It's only been hit once, but that's more than enough at that 200 SMA as well. You guys know from my private mentorship how I use this. So very interesting stuff. So anyway, trade made its pierced this demand zone down here. You guys can see there, it's taken a trade above the box here. And it's taken profit, believe it or not. It only took profit 74.75, I believe. Let's have a look. 74.75 is where it executed, and obviously it made a $465 gain there. So it only literally took 74.75. This was it, pretty much this was it. Okay, so from this point to that point is the only amount of profit they made. However, look how big that move was. All right, so interesting stuff here, guys. I'm continue to work on the EA as we go along. You guys get all the information here on the left hand side, all in the trade panel, see what the trades, you know, what the actual symbol has done in terms of obviously trades. It's had the 100% win so far. Go over to the US 30 here, and you guys can pretty much see the same thing as well. On the month, we've had 3 wins, 100% win rate, so only $284. But last week, obviously, done something miraculous as well. So happy with everything at the moment. There's so much more features that are included with this particular EA, so I'm looking forward to kind of giving it to you guys. Just working on the prefixes, on suffixes. A lot of these brokers like to include. I'm just trying to load it up here. Like to include little things after their symbols. So for example, here we've got cash. A lot of brokers that you guys use do use different suffixes and prefixes at the end of your symbols here. So it's just basically making sure that I can get this EA to work with those suffixes and prefixes for every broker that you guys are using. So I hope this helps. A lot of testing still continues, but I'm very happy with the results at the moment. I hope you guys are too, and I'll see you guys soon.